Good evening, all. Bobby Two Pops breaks. It is Sunday, October the 30th. We are breaking Bond Box Jerseys Plus. We randomed up our 28 remaining box numbers. 27 is what we got. We did random team sales on your right. We've already randomized teams and customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them a couple minutes to trade, but nobody's in a trading mood there. Alright, here we go. Pop of your seal. Alright, guys, here we go. Bam, well, going to be a cult hit with the Eric Dickerson. Has the Hall of Fame inscription on it, guys. That one only has the JSA sticker on it. Going to be Eric Dickerson for the cult spot. Also going to be the Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, or however the hell you pronounce his name, guys, for the soccer spot. Well, that's Alex jumping in there. Gonna take the Aubameyang license there. Also going to be the Toronto spot with the Vlad Guerrero vet, guys. Pretty damn nice box for you, folks. Last but not least, well, another Seattle hit, folks. This one going to be Cincinnati hit. Going to be Joe Burrow. Well, guys, very nice box for you there overall, man. Again, going to be Eric Dickerson, folks. Hall of Fame inscription. JSA sticker on that. This is one of the old customs, though, guys. This thing is really heavy and thick. And it's definitely an older custom, guys. All right, who is Colts? Well, Vincent, gonna take the Dickerson. Well, looks like Amanda going to get the Burrow. Oh, Amanda, I wish it was a little bigger hit for you there. But that's two in a row for you guys, at least getting something back there. I know it ain't a lot, but they said the card's only $25 to $50 hits there, but see if it's not the start of a little something for you folks. And then it looks like Alex English right at the top of our list. Going to take the Pierre-Emerick. There again, she is a licensed jersey, guys. So, very nice box. Who hit Toronto? Let me get this folded first, and I'll check that. Well, Pack gonna hit the Vlad. Alright, so Eric goes to Woodley. Soccer goes to Alex. Card goes to Ron. Bats goes to Eck. Well, guys, that's a pretty nice box. I think you guys got to admit that. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, folks. Bobby Two Pops breaks.